Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
The original for loop runs with j taking the values 1 through 100 inclusive, so count is incremented 100 times. In I, j starts at 0. And the loop continues while j is less than 100, so j takes the values 0 through 100 inclusive. That is 101 iterations, so this does not match. In I, 2 and increases by 2 while j less than 200, so the values are 2, 4, 6, 200. This is 100 iterations, so it matches. In I, j starts at 100 and decreases by 1 while j is 0, so j takes the values 100 down to 1. This is also 100 iterations, so it matches. Therefore, the code segments that produce the Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.